Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Back out here in the parking lot with the Qidi 570 Sci-Fi Sky. And I just wanted to get one more flight before I actually do a proper review. I'm going to do a proper review of this little plane. Vertical takeoff and landing plane. I was curious to see if the issues that I was having with the battery are due to the battery having a low C rating. So I have a higher C rated battery in here from GnB. It's a 450 2S and no Velcro strap or anything, no Velcro patch. But it seems like this canopy here holds it down snug enough where it's not moving around in there. So I'm going to check that out. I also have a lighter battery too. No high C rating on this lighter battery though. Got a little piece of lint from my pocket on there. This little battery right here is a 550. It's hard to imagine that this is a 550 and this GnB is a 450 and it's larger. But let's get this thing up in the air, see how this plane fares with this GnB 450 higher C rated battery, 80C 160C burst. Let's get it. Turn this transmitter on. It seems like it's bound now. No flashing as of yet. In red, it's just the normal color blue. So let's go into the higher rate. Let's go into the vertical mode. And it seemed like it didn't have enough power to stay up in vertical mode. Let's try that again. Go to vertical mode. And I'm pressing both of these buttons at the same time to stop it every time it goes down. It doesn't seem to have enough power to stay in its vertical mode. Oddly enough, it's not flashing red though. I can fly it around in this mode. Oh, there we go with the red flashing. So yeah, I think this is just a battery hog. For some reason, the red version that I have, it doesn't turn red as fast. Let's try vertical one more time. It won't go in vertical mode anymore. And it's auto landing. Okay, so let's try this little smaller battery. I already know what it's going to do with the smaller pack, but I'm guessing maybe with the smaller pack I'll be able to keep it up in the air in vertical mode. I'm thinking this battery is too heavy for it to maintain its altitude in vertical mode, and that's kind of weird to me. Nevertheless, let's get it plugged in with this smaller pack. Smaller pack, let's see what you got. Put the smaller pack in. Uh-oh. battery bay popped open on me. So let's try to take off. The lighter battery seems like it took off a little easier. Oh, it's red though. We're not going to be able to go in vertical mode. I should have done it. I should have did it earlier. Let me land it and see if I can get the motors. I'm gonna turn it off and then turn it back on in vertical mode, y'all. See if I can get this guy up in the air. Sheesh. I'm thinking maybe I might have to swap some electronics with this one and the red version that I have, that I had the mishap with. Let's see, I'm gonna try to launch in vertical mode. Maybe that'll help me out. Let's see. Okay. Let's go with the vertical mode. Not enough power to take off, y'all. Oh, yes it is. Okay, so we're in vertical mode with it. With a lighter battery, so it seems to like a lighter pack. So I think that's the issue with this little plane. It has not enough power to lift this frame from these motors. I was thinking that the motors were oversized, but I'm thinking now that the motors don't have enough power. You need a lighter battery in order to really fly this guy. I'm tempted to put it into plane mode, but it seems to never want to go back into the other mode. I think I figured it out though, so I'm tempted to try it. Let's see. Real tempted to try it. Let's see. I did it, y'all. Couldn't resist. Back in the vertical mode. That went well. Although I don't know how to go back into the quad mode. Let's see if I can get it. Okay. So you just flip the switch all the way back up. You don't have to press the button to go back into the drone mode. Or vertical takeoff landing mode, VTOL mode. And we're landing it. Press both of these buttons here, these shoulder buttons at the same time, to come out of the arm, so to disarm it. So sheesh, I'm gonna have to find some more powerful, lighter batteries. I'm thinking about a 350 from GnB, which would have a higher C rating than this little pack here. I think this little pack came with one of my other little birds from China. Was flying it with this little thing here. It's a 550. I believe this came from another Qidi model. I'm thinking a 3D plane. Anyhow, it's the Sci-Fi Sky vertical takeoff landing Vector Qidi 570. Thanks for watching.